Welcome to Fabulous Fascia Friday. Today we are going to use our RAD recovery rounds to release the upper back and then the lower back. So we're going to start with the balls at the thoracic spine, right where it ends and where the lumbar spine starts, and then we're going to roll all the way down. So you can hold it for a few seconds to about a minute, and then you can move for another 30 seconds to about a minute. As long as it feels good, you can stay there. You can repeat once or twice a day if you have pain. So just laying here to start releasing and breathing. You can come up a little bit if it's too intense, and then you can roll forward and back, flushing, or side to side shearing. You can take it all the way down to the low back. I hope that gives you some relief. Tune in next time. We're going to go down the glutes.